Okay, so this problem is a division problem. So we are dividing rational expressions. So when you divide fractions, I want to remind you if you were dividing 2/3 divided by 4/5, you would rewrite this division problem as a multiplication problem. And once it's a multiplication problem, you would look for ways that you can simplify it. That is, you would factor out anything in common. So you factor 2 out of the numerator and the denominator, and then you'd multiply from that point numerator times numerator and then denominator times denominator. So your final answer would be 5, 6. So you steps are convert the division problem to a multiplication problem, and then from the multiplication problem, simplify any terms that the numerator and denominator have in common. So we're going to do exactly that. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is look for common factors for each one of these terms. So actually the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as a multiplication problem. And then the second thing I'm going to do is look for factors of the term. So remember, when you rewrite a division as a multiplication problem, as I previously stated, you multiply by the reciprocal, which is what I've just done. Change this to a multiplication problem. And now the very next thing is that I need to factor the term. The common factor for the numerator is 4, so I end up with 3x squared plus 2 all over x minus 4. And for my numerator, I'm going to multiply x minus 4 times x plus 4, since the numerator is the difference of squares. My denominator, my factoring is greatest common multiple factoring, because I know this because 5 divides evenly into each term. And my next step is to look at what I have. Look at what's in the numerator, look at what's in the denominator. If there's anything in common, cancel it out. So 3x squared plus 2 is in the numerator and denominator, and x minus 4 in the numerator and denominator. And then the next thing is to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So I end up with 4 times x plus 4 all over 5. And that is the end of the problem. It says divide as indicated, and I have divided as indicated.